So you've just received your touch tag in the post, but how do you set it up? Head over to the Play Store on your mobile device and download an application called NFC Tools. Now the NFC Tools app allows you to write data to your new touch tag, but first we need to create that data. So using your mobile phone, head over to beacons.ai. So within the Beacons website, you can sign up for an account and then start adding your information. Now within the Beacons website, you can create and alter your own page, starting from the header. You can include a profile picture, username, bio, location, text format, picture size, and social icons as well. Text, you can write anything about you or your company in the box provided there. You can set up email and SMS list with plenty of settings to go through there, and you can see it's populating your page there with all that information that you're putting in. Videos, you can embed a video on the page which will appear. You can also embed your Twitter account as well, or Twitter post, and embed videos. You can embed a video URL in there. And the very bottom, links to anything. Title, URL, subtitle, and you can add that link on the page as well. And once you have all that information in your page, you scroll down. That is what your page will look like. You notice there is a URL. We need to copy this URL. We now need to go to the NFC Tools app. Within the NFC Tools app, go to Write, then add a record, click on Custom URL, and within there you need to paste that URL that you copied earlier. That's in there, just click OK. Now this is where you need the tag. In the app, click Write, and it says approach an NFC tag. Hover your phone over the tag, write complete. You can click OK on that. Now this tag has all the information it needs. So anyone with an NFC enabled device can come straight to your touch tag, whether it be on the back of your phone or on the desk in an office, scan over the tag, and then retrieve your social media contact and information without touching a thing, completely contactless. So that is Touch Tag, a digital business card. They are available in other colours with custom designs available too. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check Touch Tag out in the description below, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.